14 from 6. Naveen Haq. Unpad. Oopsie. Oopsie. Handbags. Just a single. They're running. They're running. Gets back comfortably. Had to go. It'll be short. They'll be back for a second. Junior Delazar. No trouble. They can get back.
Wrong end again for me. Carberine had almost given up if Junior Delazar.
Where? Oh, he's coming too much. 1 bounce and gone for 4. Oh dear. I don't know that he might, he'd have got to it anyway. However,
Delivery. They've got mid-off and mid-on back in the circle. Bahrain just comes to the crease. Fine legs up inside, so a top edge could have gone for 4. Gretzky obviously didn't pick it up because he came just.
What about this for a debut? Oh, wow! Unbelievable! You wouldn't believe it if we told you. Somebody will be telling the story from this crowd, and they'll say, we thought we'd been blown out the water. They had a partnership of 154 in 12 overs, and somehow